Welcome to Laura Everyday English.
Hi, friends! Today we are going to the supermarket in English. We need to buy food for dinner, but don't worry, we will learn English together step by step. By the end of this video, you will learn important supermarket words, how to ask for things, how to talk to a cashier, and how to use how much and how many. Are you ready? Let's go shopping. First, I need a cart. Oh, here they are. Now I'm ready. Let's check my grocery list. I need some milk, a loaf of bread, 5 apples, some rice, and 2 onions. Okay, let's find them. Excuse me, where can I find the onions?
They are in aisle 3 next to the potatoes.
Oh, great, thank you. Wow, look at these apples. How many do I need? Let's see. I need 5 apples. Now, rice. How much is this bag? Oh, it's $5. That's a good price. Here is the milk. Do I need 1 or 2? Just 1 is okay. And here is the bread. Perfect! My cart is full. Great job! We finished our shopping story, and you did amazing. But wait, did you notice something? I asked questions like, how many apples? How much rice? These are very important in English. So now it's time to learn the grammar, step by step. Don't worry, it's easy, and we will practice together.
Let's start with something simple. In English, we have 2 types of things, countable and uncountable. Countable things are easy. We can count them. 1, 2, 3. Examples: 1 apple, 2 apples, 5 eggs. So we say, how many apples? Say it with me. How many apples? Again, how many apples?
Now let's look at uncountable nouns. These are things we cannot count one by one. For example, milk, rice, water. So we use how much. Example, how much milk do you need? Repeat after me. How much milk do you need? How much rice? Let's compare. Apples, countable, how many? Milk, uncountable, how much? This is very important in daily English. Now imagine you are in a supermarket. You can say, how many bananas do I need? Or, how much rice is this? I will say a word. You choose the correct question. Eggs. Correct. How many eggs? Milk. Correct. How much milk? Good job. Excellent work. Now you understand the grammar. But English is not only grammar. We also need to use it in real conversations. So now, let's go back to the supermarket. This time, we are at the checkout. Listen carefully first, then we will practice together.
Ho, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $25.50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please? Now repeat after me. Cashier. Did you find everything okay? You. Yes, thank you. Cashier. Cash or card? You. Card, please.
Nice work. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together and check your understanding. Look at the basket. Answer the questions. Question 1. How many eggs are there? Question 2. How much is the milk? Question 3. Where can you find bread? Say this sentence. Excuse me, where can I find the apples? Again, where can I find the apples? Make your own sentences. How many blank? How much blank?
That was very good. You are improving your English step by step. Today, you learned supermarket vocabulary, how to ask questions, how to talk to a cashier, and how to use how much and how many. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.